Ever wondered how your opinions could be rewarding? Imagine a world where your thoughts hold value, where sharing your views can earn you rewards. Enter Lightster, the platform that transforms your opinions into tangible benefits. It's a place where you're not only heard, but also rewarded. It's not just about voicing out, it's about being valued for it. Your views, your rewards. Intriguing, isn't it? So how does this work? Let's dive in. First things, you need to sign up and it's free. Now, how do you get started with Lightster? It's as easy as pie. Head to Lightster website or download the app on your mobile device. Once you're in, it's time to create your profile. Don't be shy. Tell a bit about yourself. This isn't your typical interrogation. They just want to know what makes you tick, what sparks your curiosity. Your profile helps to tailor the questions and discussions to your interests. Now, here's a little secret for you. If you respond to at least 5 questions every month, they'll boost your rewards by 20%. That's right, more rewards just for sharing your thoughts. And speaking of rewards, they offer them in forms that suit you, from Amazon gift cards to cash transfers via Wise or PayPal. These rewards are processed within 1 to 3 business days. Now that you're signed up, let's move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to create your profile. Now, this isn't just about picking a catchy username or a snazzy profile picture, though those certainly don't hurt. The real meat of your profile is the information about you. It's in sharing a bit of yourself, your likes, your dislikes, your experiences, and your perspectives. Why is this important, you ask? Well, the more genuine and truthful you are, the better the match between you and the world's most innovative companies. It's like a conversation, a dialogue where you get to express your views and they get to learn from them. So go ahead and tell your story. Are you a tech enthusiast, a fashion aficionado, a foodie perhaps? No matter who you are, there's a place for you here. So be yourself, because that's the best person you can be. All right, your profile is set. Now let's talk about responding to questions. Now, this is where the fun begins. Responding to questions. You see, the beauty of this platform lies in its simplicity and the fact that it values your opinion. So how do you go about responding to questions? Well, it's quite straightforward. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find a variety of questions waiting for you. These questions are your gateway to rewards, and they come from some of the world's most innovative companies. They are eager to hear your thoughts, your ideas, your feedback. So don't hold back. Be yourself, be honest, be creative. Remember, your opinion matters. Now, here's a little secret. If you want to boost your rewards by a whopping 20%, make sure you respond to at least 5 questions every month. Yes, you heard that right. Just 5 questions a month can lead to a 20% increase in your rewards. And guess what? You can do all of this from the comfort of your home, your office, or even while you're on the move. The platform is fully accessible on both web and mobile devices. So whether you're a desktop aficionado or a mobile maven, you're covered. And that's it. You're all set to earn rewards. So go ahead, start responding to those questions and let the rewards roll in. So, to recap, it all starts with a simple free sign-up. Once you're in, you create your profile, letting the world know a little bit about who you are. Then you jump right into the action, responding to at least 5 questions every month. This isn't just a conversation, it's a chance to influence the world's most innovative companies with your feedback, ideas, and opinions. The beauty of it all, your voice is not only heard, but rewarded. For your invaluable input, Lightster offers rewards in the form of Amazon gift cards, or if you prefer, cash transfers via Wise or PayPal. And the best part, rewards are processed within 1 to 3 business days. This isn't just about sharing your opinions, it's about making them count. It's about having conversations that matter, with the companies that matter. So what are you waiting for? Start sharing your opinions and earning rewards today. That's it, folks. We hope you found this video informative and rewarding. If you did, why not give it a thumbs up? It helps us a lot and lets us know we're on the right track. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might be interested. Let's spread the word about how easy it is to influence the world's most innovative companies and get rewarded for it. And if you want more such informative videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching. Remember, your opinions matter and they can be rewarding too. So step up, sign up, and start sharing your opinions today.